Hi there, this is Bryce with Bazinga Lawn Care. Today I'm going to be coming at you with another video on lawn painting. This is the first time I've ever done it. The product I'm using today is called Endurant. We'll see what it can do. First time I've ever painted my lawn. Let's take you along and show you what my yard looks like before, and then we'll do a little after footage. Alright, so don't mind the wind. There's my lawn. There's some green coming in. It's February here in South Texas. So yeah. That's what it looks like. That's going to be my starter zone where I'm going to try it out. So let's cut to some spraying. They said to mix 8 ounces with every gallon. So I got my measuring device and we're going to see what we can do. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to mix this stuff in. I'm using a backpack sprayer. Just a cheap one, just to try this out. I like to get an electric one, but see what this does. Oh, I'm glad I put gloves on. Ooh, so glad. This stuff is thick. Don't know if you're getting this in the shop, but I kind of don't want to get it everywhere. Don't know if you got that in the shot. So, ooh, this. Ooh. Ooh, that's nasty. Put a gallon. I'm gonna do 2 gallons. I got a one spot that's right at 500 square feet, which they say is good for this rate. Yeah, I recommend wearing gloves. See if I can get this action for you. A little footage. I don't know. I sure am glad to wear gloves. I thought of that second thought. All I'm using is a Gatorade, little 12-ounce Gatorade bottle that I marked out at 8 ounces per gallon, which is recommended. Oh, don't get that everywhere. It's, when they say paint, it looks like paint. There we go. I could probably pour this in. And that's it. Now I'm going to put my other mark on. Kind of the color that came out of it. I already got it on my hose. So my wife's not going to be happy. It's brand new. Alright, I bought it. There's the 2 gallon mark. You know what? I'm going to switch out gloves before I put all this on there. And I'm going to put this cap back on. some cleaning to do, even with the shield again on my yard. But I kind of like the color. Tell me what y'all think. Hopefully my wife doesn't kill me. I'm gonna go ask my neighbor before I continue. Yeah. Alright, well, got the yard all painted. See what y'all think. Kind of went for a little bit of a natural look and not completely covered. I'll add a couple other photos here. See if we can be goofy about it. Alright, well, there's the yard all painted. Neighbors, mine, domination line. Tell me what y'all think. Leave it in the comments. Alright, well, that's all we have today with lawn painting. This took about 4 hours on 4,000 square feet of front yard. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I'll do my best to answer every single one of y'all. If you can, please give me a big thumbs up. It helps me keep going. Also, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. Once again, my name is Bryce with Bazinga Lawn Care. Thank you.